Hello everybody, Smocy back again. I'm back with the retail baseball break. I get the brand new 2017 opening day. I got two blasters. They cost $9.99 at Walmart. I picked them up. They come with 11 packs, 7 cards each. So you're looking at 77 cards per blaster. And very rare. You can hit a relic is about 1 in 50 blasters. And an auto is actually about 1 in 40. So not very likely to get a hit out of these. But the reason I pick them up is the 1 insert per pack. They have some pretty good inserts a lot of times. I was a little disappointed last year. But the previous years I really liked the inserts. So let's see what we got this time. Let's go ahead and start with blaster 1. I had hit a mascot auto out of opening day. I used some hobby. I hit a printing plate and another autograph. So I've had some good luck with the opening day, but you go in not thinking of getting a hit. Basically, try to get the big stars and get some cool looking inserts. So let's see what it looks like this year. Okay, pack 1. We got Lindor, and it's got the opening day down at the bottom. The base tops will not have that. So a lot of player collectors like to pick their players up too in this, so it's pretty nice since there's not as much as top Series 1. Chris Davis, we got a mascot for the Sox. Kyle Seager. And I guess the mascot must be the insert. Or I did not get an insert that pack. I guess it is an insert, mascot insert. Alright, back 2. Mark Trombone. Luke Weaver. Oh, Nelson Cruz blue. Got the blue foil, and these were numbered last year. I don't, the year before, I can't remember. Does not look like they're numbered this year. Nice looking card. We got Celebrations. We got Stanton. Kind of cool. Carrasco, Hernandez, and Seaman. Alright. Third pack. Cutchin. Gary Sanchez. Chicken and waffle cone. Minute Maid Park. Incredible Eats. That's kind of different. Looks pretty good actually. Villar, Perez, and Marte. Austin, Kowski, Goldschmidt. What we got here? Orioles opening day. Minnesota Twins versus Baltimore Orioles. Reyes, Crawford, and Buster Posey. Alright. So far, the only insert I really like it. I like that blue foil. It's pretty nice. I don't know about the other ones. Addison Russell, Say Abreu, T.C. Bear for the Twins. Insert. Nelson Cruz, Maikel Franco, and Blackman. Keuchel, Verlander. We got a superstar, Jason Worth. Pass the shampoo. Gonzalez, Byron Buxton, and Jansen. Wainwright, Cano. Another Incredible Eats. Buffalo, cauliflower, poutine. That's pretty interesting. The Blue Jays. Get the first rookie, I believe. Lopez. Maybe I hit another one. Carrera. And Thompson rookie. Good Thompson. Got Daniel Murphy. Collado. There's Maikel Franco. That's not bad. April 3rd, 2017. Just the back. I like that blue arrow on that. Didn't notice on the Cruz. Good looking cards though. I like those. I wish they were numbered. Philly Fanatic, Tim Anderson, Haywood. Alright, so 3 more packs. I don't know if they have the 3D ones this year or not. I didn't look at the odds on those, if they're on there. Kyle Schwarber. We got Superstars again. Bradley Jr. Colors, Fulmer, and Harvey. Kendricks, Britton, Price. We got opening day for the Twins, the Red Sox versus Indians. Actually, can't tell. Yelich, Sonny Gray, Sonny guys. All right, last card. Bryce Harper, not bad. Pepper Pujols, Benintendi, rookie, nice. Good pack here. Mascot for the A's. Johnny Cueto and Smiley. Alright, I have to say I'm pretty disappointed in the parallels again this year. So, I don't know, maybe I won't open it up next year, because last year was a little bit of disappointment on the inserts, and I think the inserts are not that great again. You know, cheap price though, but let's see what we got. Gonzalez, Altuve, Tanaka, more incredible eats, Fenway Park, Frank, alright, Udarish, Ortiz, Trey Turner, nice. Dozer, Bumgarner, Cole, Dinger mascot, DeGrom, Maeda, and Jackie Bradley Jr. Beltre, we get over to Petroia, blue foil. Anthony Rizzo, Superstar Celebrations. Lester, Mike Trout, base. And Kemp. Morales, Springer, Trevor Story. Get opening day. Mets versus Kansas City. Adam Duvall from our Reds. Cool. Shipley. We got Kipnis, Salazar, Brandon Phillips. Incredible eats Italian sausage at Fenway Park. Maben, Berkman, and Lamb. Jake Arenetta, Gilman, Mr. Red, was in Duffy Doolittle. Warwick, David Dahl, rookie, Santana, Superstar Celebration, Lucroy, Cespedes, Italian, Chris Davis, Kershaw, Porcello, Aaron Judge, rookie, opening day, Nationals versus the Braves, got a Marza, Odor, and Zimmerman. We got 3 more packs. Josh Bell, Hoffman, Reyes rookie. It's a Baez blue foil. Superstar Celebration, Russell Martin, Max Scherzer, Petroia. 2 more packs. Bogarts, Anthony Rizzo, Chris Sale, Incredible Eats, Broomstick Hot Dog. Oh, that's a crazy looking there. Texas, Arlington. Baez, Corey Seager, and Ray. Alright, last pack mojo. Todd Frazier, Lorenzo Cain, Victor Martinez, opening day of the Miami Marlins. Archer. All right, that's it for 2017 opening day. How to say the favorite cards in these are these blue foils. Again, I believe, maybe not last year, but the year before, these used to be serial numbered. Now they're not. I have to say I'm pretty disappointed, and I probably will not buy opening day next year unless I see some better inserts. Like I said, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, there were some great looking inserts. They had the 3Ds, they had fire ones, they had some really cool inserts, but I'm kind of disappointed this year, I have to admit. So that'll be it for me in 2017 opening day. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.